Okay, Namaskar. Today again we are here to talk about balancing all the powers of our body, the powers which are working within us. In Ayurveda, the doshas, three doshas, how to control that. But we will be talking to control it in a very simple, very systematic, very common way of life, thinking about that. Being we will try to be a visionary. We want to make things move with us. We are not going to the complications of Ayurveda and all that, but we are talking about Ayurveda. There are three doshas, three controls in our body from Ayurveda, that is known as Vat, Pitta, and Kapha. Now we need not to remember all that. I will explain you in a very simple and simplified manner. Now Vat is a energy of movement. Energy, whatever we do, action, eating, this, anything we do is concerned under the heading of Vat, which is a energy of movements. Now Pitta. Pitta is a ignition, fire, or digestion within our system, that is Pitta, that is controlled under the heading of Pitta. Again, the Kapha is the position of water within our body and this whole structure. Now we are not going to talk about Vata, Pitta and Kapha, that makes a complication. But here we will talk about now three things. First was Vata, that was energy of movement. Now we will talk about energy of movement, and then the Pitta, that is the ignition and the digestion and all that, and the third is water and structure situation. Now we will keep focus on these 3 points: energy level, ignition level, water and structure level. Now suppose in our daily routine that, and sometimes we feel less energetic or tired or something like that, हम अपने आप को थके हुए फील कर रहे हैं, या कुछ ऐसा लगता है कि we are not up to the mark. Now to control this energy, we will raise the power of our digestion, the Pitta, by taking some nuts, some fruit, just like apple, mangoes and all that, or the dates, figs, or hot tea, hot milk with the turmeric and all that. So this is the thing. These things are going to raise our Pitta, at the same time going to raise our energy level. Now suppose someday our Pitta is very strong, that is not balanced. Pitta is the energy, the digestion energy, and we will feel like very hot inside and very upset and all that. Now what we will be doing, we will take some water 2-3 times, 1 or 2 times more than the regular routine, so that we can control that digestion or ignition inside that was little more. Know that water will balance this. So similarly, when we have Kapha, that water and that structure level things are little more, or we are feeling some cough or sinus or something like that, then again we will try to raise our Pitta by taking some hot things, just like hot tea with cinnamon, with cardamom, and just like some honey, some milk with turmeric, some fruit, nuts, all this, that will raise our that level of digestion, and that will help in balancing this Kapha. So all these things are interconnected. That is a different threads of a woven cloth, 3 things. So we should do that. These things should walk with us. We don't need to think about Vata, Pitta and Kapha, but we will be thinking about energy, ignition, and water situation. And so we can make it walk with us. Anytime we feel like that, we can do that. So it's very clear. Now we are taking an extract from the Ayurveda, but in a simplified manner. Now, over and above, all these things can be balanced, can be controlled by one thing. By walking slowly, mile, 2 mile, 3 mile, whatever we can do, that can control all these three things. And keep in mind, within all this period, we will take little more water, 1 or 2 glass more, because walking, and that water will help in balancing all the three things. So now it is within our reach to know that extract of Ayurveda and make it simplified and put it in our routine. We are not going to think about that Vat, Pitta and Kapha and this and the complication of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a big field, very complicated field. We will have to go inside that ocean. But no, these are the very factual, very strong aspects of Ayurveda, and we can put it in our regular routine by all this thing. You can watch this video once, twice, thrice, then it will be very clear to you. It's a wonderful thing. I always do it. Anytime I feel like that, some heat is more and all that, I try to take some water. I try to take some water with lemon and some ginger root juice and little honey and all that. So we can arrange everything as per our situations, as per our timing, as per our location, and we can be perfect. Very good. Because I can tell you what to do, because you are the best judge. You will be there at your location, your situation, whatever available. Out of whatever is availability, out of whatever is location, we can arrange things. So इस सब को करते हुए वात, पित्त, कफ, वात है एनर्जी, पित्त है डाइजेशन सिस्टम फायर एंड कफ है ये वाटर की पोजीशन हमारी बॉडी में, इनको कंट्रोल करते हुए हम रोज अपना दिनचर्या चलाएंगे, दोनों हर चीज़ को देखेंगे, कंट्रोल करेंगे, खुद करेंगे, ये ज़्यादा है तो उसको कर लेंगे, ये ज़्यादा है तो उसको ले लेंगे, और वॉक करेंगे, पैदल चलेंगे, लंबा चलेंगे, और इसको हम कंट्रोल करेंगे. ये तीनों चीज़ें कंट्रोल हो जाएंगी तो वी आर इन ए बेस्ट पोजीशन. वी विल सेल इन ए वेरी नाइस स्मूथ बोट. ओके, नमस्कार, and I will be there again with you. Thank you.